What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So the question is that can I apply the Master of Computer Science in Canada with postgraduate? What is this? Okay, with postgraduate diploma in computer application. No, I don't think so. No one is going to care about your postgraduate diploma in computer application. It's like one of the 10 years old. Think you are going to. What is computer application mean? You need to have like some computer science or some really real. No one is going to care. I don't think so. You can get 99.9% chance, and no one is going to care. You cannot get it. Simple. The reality is harsh. It was me, Jimmy. If you have any more question, my email address is in the description box. Subscribe and bye.